Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors. Casement windows are an excellent option for homeowners who want to maximize views as well as airflow into their home. But you want to make sure the casement window is functioning properly. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the sash in one of our V3000 Series Casement Windows. The only tool you'll need for this adjustment is either the 7/16 wrench if your window was manufactured before March 1st, 2022, or this 3/8 wrench if your window was manufactured after March 1st, 2022. To find out which wrench you require, just check the manufacturing date on the window ID label located on the inside of the frame head. To begin making adjustments on your casement window, you want to make sure your sash is open fully and you have unobstructed access to the sash hardware. In order to adjust our sash, we must make adjustments to this small stud here that the support arm connects to, but you do not want to remove the support arm from the stud. So what you want to do is you want to get your wrench underneath the support arm. To decrease the amount of sash drag, you want to lower the sash. To do that, you want to rotate towards the shoe. To increase the sash drag or raise the sash, you want to rotate away from the shoe. You do not want to rotate more than 45 degrees in either direction, or you risk binding on the track. If you've reached the maximum level adjustment at the bottom and your sash still isn't lining up correctly, you can make further adjustments on the top stud as well. Just remember that the stud has flipped, so you want to do the opposite rotation. So in order to lower the sash, you want to turn away from the shoe, and to raise the sash, you want to turn it towards the shoe. And again, do not rotate more than 45 degrees in either direction, or it could result in binding of the track. All right, once all your adjustments have been made, you should have a really nice even gap all the way around the frame, and your sash should open and close with ease. I certainly hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.